Want to replace the dust container of your vacuum cleaner? With these steps, you'll have it fixed in no time. What do you need? A new dust container. Step 1. Remove the old dust container. Remove the telescopic tube. Press the lock and remove the dust container. Step 2. Insert the new dust container. Snap the new dust container back in place of the old one. Reattach the telescopic tube. You have replaced the dust container and the vacuum cleaner is ready to use again.